Hello friends, let's answer this question. So the question says the following diagram shows a water wave. Okay, we can see here the water wave. Then which row gives the correct values for the wave amplitude and wavelength? Okay, so now you need to understand what an amplitude is and wavelength. Okay, you need to understand that by definition. So what is an amplitude? An amplitude of a wave is the maximum displacement of a particle from its what? Resting position. So this is the resting position. Okay, this is the resting position. So the maximum what? The maximum displacement of a particle from its resting what? Resting position. So now, so from this resting position up to here, okay, or from the resting position up to down here, and it's 8, you're given 8 here, so you need to find, so half of 8 is the what? Is the amplitude. So what is half of 8? 4. So far between A and B is the correct what? Answer. Okay, let's go to wavelength. What is wavelength by definition? Wavelength of a wave is the maximum displacement at which a wave repeats what? Itself. Okay, repeats itself in now when you look at this, let's start. So we are given 5 centimeters here. Let me use a different color. So from here up to here is 5 centimeters. Now, so this is just the half of the wave. Up to here, this is when the wave repeats what? Repeats itself. Okay, so from here up to from this point up to this point here, what is the what? The wavelength, the length. So since here is 5, just multiply by 2. 5 times 2, it becomes what? It becomes 10. So which gives us the answer to be what? To be A here. So the answer is A. It is very simple. So you should understand that by definition under what? Under waves. Okay. So the other thing that you need to know that the highest point of the what? Of the wave here is known as the what? Crest. Okay. Crest. Then the lowest point is known as what? Trough. Okay. Let's see. The highest point of the wave, crest. The lowest point of the wave is what? Is trough. All right.